Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manovigyan. I'm your psychologist friend Shreya. Happy New Year to you all. So few days back I had a very interesting client, who is working, and she had this issue like she had difficulty in decision making, she could not concentrate in her work. She is like, I'm completely lost. I really don't know what to do. So I had shared some tips with her, and definitely guys, you won't believe, it has really improved, it has really helped her. So in today's video I thought, let me share these tips with you so that you can also take the benefit out of it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first tip that I would like to give is, this is little difficult, during these winter days. Getting up early is one of the challenges all of us face, but trust me guys, it really helps because I have used this tip from past 7 to 8 months, that is exercising. Why am I telling exercising? Exercising is something that keeps you focused. It could be like for half an hour or 20 minutes or one and a half hour. Usually I exercise for 1.5 hours. So trust me guys, it keeps your attention intact, which in turn will help you to sharpen your brain. So please do try this, and definitely it works. So the second most important tip is mindful meditation. I suggest this to most of my clients. I know everybody will like, ma'am, I can't even sit for 1 or 2 seconds. Then how will I sit and meditate? This really works. So what you can start off with is, you can start off like for 2 minutes, 2 or 1 minute. What you have to do is, you have to just sit comfortably in a quiet place where there is no lot of noise or nobody is like disturbing you. So you have to sit there, okay? Close your eyes. If you want, you can put on the timer on your phone like for 1 or 2 minutes. Sit down, close your eyes, okay? And then just concentrate on your breathing. If you are getting thoughts, it's fine, don't hold on to it, let it pass. Trust me, it really helps you to be aware and present, and it also helps you to not to cling to your thoughts and emotions. Do try. So the third most important tip is sleep. The problem in today's world is we are so much addicted to our phones that we go on scrolling. We don't realize that we are sleeping late. What happens is, most of us are working, so we sleep late. We have to get up early, get ready, and run. So what happens is, your brain is not getting enough rest. So obviously, if you don't get enough rest, your mind will not help you. You are feeling sleepy, you are feeling sluggish, you can't concentrate. So guys, please try to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. It is extremely important. The last tip I would like to give you is positive thinking. This is something that's extremely important, because what happens is, when you're thinking negative, you are consumed in your thoughts, you are consumed in your emotions, you are not using your brains, matlab you're not positive, you're not working on improving yourself. This is really not okay. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be coming up some of the ways that will help you to improve in terms of thinking positive. So I hope you like this small video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comment so that we can improve upon our upcoming videos, like and share. So until the next time, you take care, stay healthy, stay positive. Bye bye.